take you through a video walkthrough of our newly arrived Mastercraft XStar 2021. This boat is equipped with the navy blue. It has the really awesome popping silver metal flake. I'll take you a little walk through the boat. We got the matching blue trailer. So we come around here and see we've got the docking lights equipped on this boat. Get a nice view of all sides of this beautiful boat. It's got the BTS windshield you can see here. All right, I'm going to hop up in the boat. We're going to take you through it. Right. So we got the walkthrough on this boat. That's actually got a life jacket and towel built-in heater on it, so it's kind of multi-purpose there. This boat is equipped with the Coco cool feel interior with the silver accents. It has the ZF4 tower, the 8-inch crisp tower speakers, swivel racks. Also, this is equipped with the backup camera. Stepping on down the boat, we've equipped it with the tan Decadence flooring. Over here in the cockpit, we got the dual screens. New for 2021, we have the wireless phone charger, super cool. Over here, this boat is equipped with the heaters. We got heater vents, heater hoses, and we also have the captain and the co-captain chair area is also heated for those cool days out on the lake. We got the billet door, nice walk through, huge bow on these boats. 6'2.5" and I can totally stretch out. You can sit 4 people up in this bow very easily. It's got the speakers, the cup holders, charging stations for your phone, flip down armrests, super comfortable boat. At 23 feet, this boat seats 16 people, so plenty of room. It has the rear facing couch that also folds into a sun pad, and it has another filler cushion that would go in there. Another really cool feature of this boat, it has a pop-up backrest here, so when everybody's surfing, wakeboard, you can sit and look out this way. Gives you all that feeling off the back of the boat. So anyway, I'd love you guys to come out and check out our brand new 2021 Mastercraft XStar. Come and check it out at the store here in Greenville at the MarineMax store or at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or give us a call at 864-236-9005.